Today we see introduction of exercise 1.5. Topic is complement of set. What is complement of set? I take one example direct. If u is equals to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and a is equals to 1 2 3, clear, cut all members of a from u. It means like this, u minus a. It is what your a dash. It means your complement of set. The cut 1, cut 2 and cut 3. Its complement is what? 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Simple. It's all members of u, but cut what? Members of a. It means u minus a. A dash means what? U minus a. Now I comes on definition. Let u be the universal set and a subset of u. Then the complement of a is the set of all elements of u, which are not the elements of a. All elements of u which are not elements of a. It means u minus a. A dash is equals to x gem. X belongs to u, but x does not belongs to a. It is what? Your a dash. This one is not okay. A dash of dash, a double dash is equals to what? A itself. Clear? Like this. A dash, it means what? U minus a. And a dash of dash is equals to what? U minus a dash is equals to a itself. Some properties of complement set. Complement law. A union a dash, it means universal set u, and a intersect a dash, no common members between a and its complement a dash, it means phi. De Morgan's law, it is most important. A union b whole dash is equals to a dash intersect b dash, and a intersect b whole dash, it means a dash intersect के प्लेस पे यहाँ पे union and b dash. These two are De Morgan's law. It is most important. Law of double complement, I give you note of this. A double dash, a dash of dash is equals to a itself, and laws empty set and universal set. Phi dash is equals to u and u dash is equals to phi. This one is used for objective and MCQ type question. Now I comes on exercise 1.5. Universal set, you see here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. A is equals to 1 2 3 4, B is equals to 2 4 6 8, C is equals to 3 4 5 6. A dash means u minus a. Cut members of a from u. It's cut 1 2 3 and 4. Remaining is what? 5 6 7 8 and 9. It is what? A dash. B dash means u minus b. Cut all members of b from u, universal set. 2 4 6 8 2 4 6 8. Cut 2 4 6 8. It means 1 3 5 7 and 9. A union c whole dash, it means u minus a union c. First u is equals to what? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. And a union c is equals to what? Means all members of a and c, no need to write common members. So 1 2 3 4 common, no need to write 3 4. So 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Cut 1 2 3 4 5 6 from u. 1 2 3 4 5 6. It means answer is what? 7 8 and 9. This one is what? A union c whole dash. This one is b dash, this one is a dash. Now a union b whole dash. So first u minus universal set minus a union b. First I write universal set 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. A union B, all members of A and B, no need to write common members 1 2 3 4. 2 and 4 comes in A, so no need to write 2 and 4. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. Cut 1 2 3 4 6 8 from U. 1 2 3 4 6 and 8. Remaining is what? 5 7 and 9. 5 7 and 9. It is what? A union B whole dash. A dash of dash, it means A itself. From properties you can write A dash of dash means A itself. It means 1 2 3 4. B minus C, first side write B minus C, it means universal set minus B minus C. Universal set, it means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Now B minus C means cut all members of C from B. So cut 4 here, 5 is not there, cut 6 here. So B minus C is what? 2 and 8. Now 2 and 8 cut from universal set. So answer is what? 1 3 4 5 6 7 and 9. 1 3 4 5 6 7 and 9. This one is answer of B minus C dash. This one is your A double dash. Now question number 2. U is equals to A B C D E F G H. Find the complements of set following. Find the complements of following set. A is equals to ABC. A dash is equals to cut this one from U. I directly write D E F G and H. Now B dash D E F G, cut D E F G. So A B C D E F G, cut H remaining. A B C and H. C dash A B C A C E G, cut A C E N G. Right. B C is cut from, so D is cut, so F. G is cut, so H. B D F G. B D F H, sorry, B D F H. Now D dash, cut F G H A. F G H and A. Remaining is what? B C D and E. B C D and E. It is what? D dash. Now question number 3. Taking the set of the natural numbers as the universal set, it means 1 2 3 4 up to infinity. Write exam x. Write down the complements of the following set. So exam x is an even natural numbers. The complement is what? Cut even natural number from U. Remaining is what? Odd natural number. So exam x is an odd natural number. Exam x is an odd natural number. Cut odd natural number from U. So remaining is what? Exam x is an even natural numbers. Now third one, exam x is the positive multiples of 3. Clear? So exam x is not a multiple of 3, but x is belongs to only and only natural number. Here is what? Multiple of 3, not a multiple of 3. It means what? Its complement. Here exam x is a prime number. Clear? Positive prime number. So exam x is a positive composite number. It is what? Its complement. Cut all prime number from natural number. It means what? All composite number. Remaining 5 to 9 is in homework. Sorry, 5 to 11 is in homework. Now I comes on question number 4. Question number 4. It is what? Your De Morgan's law. A union B whole dash is equals to A dash intersect B dash. So first I take left hand side. What asking left hand side? A union B whole dash. It means what? U minus A union B. U is equals to what? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. A union B, all members of A and B, not repeated any number. So 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Yes. Now cut all members of A union B from universal set. So you get A union B whole dash. It is what your left hand side. Cut 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Remaining is what? 1 and 9. Give equation number 1 here. Now I take right hand side. Your right hand side is what? A dash intersect B dash. First I write A dash, means cut all members of A from U. U minus A. 2 4 6 8. Remaining is what? 1 3 5 7 and 9. Intersect B dash. Cut 2 3 5 7. 2 3 5 7. Remaining is what? 1 4 6 8 and 9. Now intersect means write only common members. 1 common here, 9 common here. 1 and 9. It is what? Your right hand side. A dash intersect B dash. Give equation number 2. So from equation number 1 and 2, you can say that A union B whole dash, A union B whole dash is equals to A dash intersect B dash. It is what? Your De Morgan's law. Second De Morgan's law for intersection, the left hand side is what? A intersect B whole dash. It means U minus A intersect B. First I write universal set. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. A intersect B, common members of A and B. 2 common. 3 is not there, 5 is not there, 7 is not there, only 2 common. Yes, only 2. But 2 from you. 1 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. It is what? A intersect B whole dash, your left hand side. Give question number 1. Now right hand side is what? A dash union B dash. First A dash and B dash is here. Value of A dash and B dash. Write directly from here. 1 3 5 7 9. 1 3 5 7 and 9. Intersect B dash. 1 4 6 8 9. Intersect universal. Union. 1 4 6 8 and 9. Union means write all members. No common member. Repeat it. I write 1 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. A dash union B dash. It is what? Your right hand side. It is what? Your question number 2. Equation number from equation 1 and 2. You can say that left hand side is equals to right hand side. It means A intersect B whole dash is equals to A dash union B dash. Now question number 5. Draw appropriate Venn diagram for each of the following. You have to draw using scale and pencil only. I draw directly A union B whole dash. First of all, this one is A, this one is B, this one is universal set. Here A union B. First of all, you have to draw for A union B. A union B means all of this portion. but you have to draw for its complement, means ignore this one. The remaining is what? This one. You shaded this one. U minus A union B. Means you have to cut A union B from U. Cut A union B from U. Means remaining is what? Outer portion. Now A dash intersect B dash. So first of all you have to write using De Morgan's law. A dash intersect B dash. It means what? A union B whole dash. A union B whole dash. It means you have to draw similar figure like this. A union B whole dash. This one is also A union B whole dash. So for question number 1 and 2, questions are different but answer is same. So you have to draw same figure in question number 2. Now A intersect B whole dash. So first I have to decide it which portion is shaded for A intersect B. This one is A, this one is B, this one is universal set. A intersect B means this one. So ignore this one. Remaining is your answer, because you have to draw for its complement. U minus A intersect B means you have to cut A intersect B from U. You have to cut A intersect B from U. So this portion as it is. Remaining portion is our answer. Clear? Don't shade it in this portion. Now again use De Morgan law for this one. A dash union B dash. It means A intersect B whole dash. Again same one. Again same answer for question number 4. I hope you clear this one. Now question number 6. Let U be the set of all triangles in a plane if A is the set of all triangles with at least one angle different from the 60. What is A dash? What is A dash? Means A is what? All angles, all triangles, but not angle having all angles 60 degree. Means not an equilateral triangle in A. All triangles except what? Equilateral triangle in A. Universal set means what? All triangle. Means cut A from U means you get X gem X is all equilateral triangle. This one is your A dash. And question number 7, fill in the blanks. This one is in properties. I also explained already. A union A dash. It means what? A union A dash. It means what? Your universal set. Phi dash. Phi dash means what? U. And U intersect A. It means what? A itself. Now A intersect A dash. It's all in property. It is what? Phi, no common member. That's why it is phi. Now phi U dash. Universal set dash means phi. And intersect A. Phi intersect A. No common members means phi.